What really happens when inside your brain when a stroke strikes, cutting off blood flow and silencing millions of neurons within minutes? Did you know that 87% of strokes are caused by clots? Yet the brain holds an extraordinary secret weapon called neuroplasticity that can rewire itself even after devastating injury. But here is a critical question: how do you unlock that biological superpower to reclaim your life? Are you aware that recovery happens in three distinct phases, each with its own window of opportunity? What happens during the acute care phase in the first 7 days that can determine your entire trajectory? Is it true that the most intensive rehabilitation occurs in weeks 1 and through 12? And why this period is called critical recovery window? But perhaps most importantly, is it possible to make meaningful gains your years or even decades after a stroke, defying the outdated 6 months myth? If hemiplegia or weakness affects one side of your body, what proved therapies can actually retrain your brain to move again? Have you heard of constraint-induced movement therapy? Restraining your unaffected arm for 90% of waking hours forces your brain to rewire the recover function. Could mirror therapy, simply watching the reflection of your healthy hand moving, actually activate motor cortex regions of your affected limb? What role do robotic assisted devices and functional electrical stimulation play in delivering the thousands of repetitions your brain desperately needs to heal? What role does sleep, social engagement, and Mediterranean pattern nutrition play in creating the optimal environment for neuroplasticity? Are you ready to discover the complete roadmap that combines cutting edge science with practical, actionable strategies? We want to know exactly which technologies, virtual reality, telerehabilitation, wearable sensors can extend your therapy beyond the clinic walls. What are the specific evidence based protocols that have helped millions of survivors worldwide reclaim mobility, communication, and independence? With a comprehensive guide covering every phase of recovery, every therapy modality, and every lifestyle intervention that matters, where should you turn? Where can you find detailed answers about constraint induced therapy, intensive language action programs, and the latest breakthroughs in brain stimulation? Visit cloudtechbull.com because your